all those letters together all the time, LBGT, LBGT, and you think it's just one big movement. It's not. All those letters are their own movement. They just travel in the same car together. And my guess is, what is this, high school? This nigga probably got a babysitter or something. Go on and answer your phone. Get that shit out of here. I'm in the middle of something important. Wouldn't it be funny if we made fun of him and he was like, and he went outside like, hello? Mama's dead. Oh no! Mama's dead! That was a weird timed phone call, wasn't it? It's like his phone is gay.